So I've spent some time with the Eskute V300, and honestly, this thing is a bit of a surprise in the budget e-bike space. If you're looking for a fast, moped-style electric bike under $200, this one punches way above its price. You're getting a 700 watt-hour motor with a 1500 watt-hour peak, and it'll push up to about 35 mph, which is genuinely quick for something in this range. The 52V 20.8H battery is another standout. It's big, and in real-world riding you can comfortably get long range on pedal assist, especially on mixed terrain. Ride comfort is also a strong point. The full suspension setup plus fat 4-inch tires does a great job soaking up rough roads and light trails. But it's not perfect. It's heavy at around 78 pounds, and you'll feel that. Also, it uses mechanical disc brakes, so stopping power isn't as sharp as hydraulic setups. Overall, though, for the price, it's seriously hard to ignore.